Hi friends, welcome to Close Book Channel. Hey there viewer. Do you like USAng artificial intelligence? Today we will learn about artificial intelligence advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. In today's video, we will be talking about artificial intelligence, you should be USAng artificial intelligence and more. Stay tuned until the end. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines capable of simulating human-like cognitive functions, such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. It has become a transformative technology with a wide range of applications across various industries. AI systems are designed to process vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make predictions, enabling them to perform tasks that were once exclusive to human intelligence. Advantages of artificial intelligence. Automation and efficiency. AI can automate repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency and productivity in various sectors. Data analysis. AI algorithms can process and analyze large datasets, leading to valuable insights and improved decision-making. Personalization. AI enables personalized user experiences in various applications like online shopping, entertainment, and healthcare. 24/7 availability. AI-powered systems can operate non-stop, providing continuous services and support. Medical advancements. AI aids in diagnosing diseases, suggesting treatment plans, and enhancing medical research. Enhanced safety. AI-powered technologies can improve safety in industries like transportation and manufacturing. Natural language processing, NLP. AI enables machines to understand and interact with humans through speech and text. Innovation and creativity. AI can aid in generating novel ideas and solutions in fields like art, music, and design. Resource management. AI optimizes resource utilization, reducing waste and costs in various processes. Exploration and space research. AI plays a crucial role in space missions and exploration. Disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Job displacement. AI automation may lead to job losses, especially in industries heavily reliant on manual labor. Bias and fairness. AI systems can inherit and perpetuate human biases present in training data, leading to unfair outcomes. Privacy concerns. AI's ability to process and analyze personal data raises privacy and security issues. Lack of emotional intelligence. AI lacks human emotional understanding, impacting certain social interactions. Dependence and reliability. Over-reliance on AI systems may lead to catastrophic failures if they malfunction. Ethical challenges. The development of autonomous AI raises ethical dilemmas, such as responsibility and accountability. Human creativity threat. Advanced AI may challenge human creativity and uniqueness in certain creative domains. High development costs. AI implementation and maintenance can be expensive, limiting access for smaller organizations. Regulatory concerns. The rapid advancement of AI technology calls for appropriate regulations to avoid misuse. Unemployment and inequality. Widening the gap between skilled and unskilled labor may exacerbate income inequality. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence holds tremendous potential to revolutionize industries and improve human lives, but it also poses significant challenges. Striking a balance between harnessing AI's benefits while addressing its limitations is crucial. Ethical considerations and responsible AI development are necessary to ensure that AI technology is used for the collective benefit of humanity. It is essential for stakeholders to collaborate in shaping AI policies and guidelines that foster innovation while prioritizing safety, fairness, and transparency. As AI continues to evolve, thoughtful integration into society will be the key to unlocking its full potential and avoiding potential pitfalls.